Dare to judge. Dare to expect. Wherever the future takes us, we have yet to imagine. Ioniq 5N eN1 Cup Car. Shaping the future of motorsports with an EV. Hyundai N Festival, the start of real e-motorsports. Unchanging passion changes everything.
The 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5N eN1 isn't actually a car you can buy for everyday driving. It's a track-only electric race car designed for the new eN1 racing series. Here's a breakdown of what the Ioniq 5N eN1 is all about. Race-ready performance. Based on the high-performance Ioniq 5N, the eN1 boasts a powerful electric motor setup with around 641 horsepower and an 84 kWh battery pack. While exact performance figures aren't out yet, anticipation suggests a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in the ballpark of 3 seconds. Lightweight design. Compared to the road-going Ioniq 5N, the eN1 sheds significant weight through features like stripped-out interiors, forged wheels, and lighter body panels. This reduction translates to sharper handling and quicker acceleration. Enhanced aerodynamics. The eN1 features an aggressive body kit with wider fenders, front splitters, and a large rear wing. These modifications improve downforce and overall stability during high-speed cornering. Focus on sustainability. The eN1 represents Hyundai's push towards sustainable racing with a zero-emission electric powertrain. It paves the way for exciting electric motorsport experiences. If you're interested in learning more about the Ioniq 5N eN1, you can find details about its debut and upcoming races by searching online for Hyundai Ioniq 5N eN1 Cup Car. There are videos showcasing the car on YouTube, and news articles detailing its technical aspects.